Hello everyone, welcome to episode 3 of our devlog series. Anyways, if you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments. First things first, I began working on a sell function so that we can sell our items. Before we continue, let's figure out how this sell function works. First, we get the player, then we get the item, then we tell the script how much money it will sell for. And with all that information, we can put this into a command. As you can see in the chat, that was the debug stuff, and here's me actually testing it. Now I decided to make the little action bar, and it says you sold your items for, and then the amount that you sold it for. Then I decided to add the rest of the crops to the sell command. Then I began making the script a little shorter, and here's how. So let me get into how this works. First, we get the name and the two different lines of lore. If you're confused on what lore is, it's basically these two lines that say amount and cost. Now we check if cost is set, and we replace all the stuff that we don't need with the stuff that we actually need. Then we parse it, basically telling the code that it's something else rather than what it's actually saying. Then after all that, we run our purchase item function, which checks if the player has the amount, and then if it does have all those checks, it gives the item. Now here's me actually testing it. After that, I decided to work on a new currency called a bit. This would be used to upgrade your hoe. Making a currency called a bit really did take a bit. Anyways, let's get to the part where actually stuff happens. I also organized my files. Anyways, I decided to get to work on a chat reaction. Basically, one of these will occur and it will send a message, and the first person to type the thing that it told you to type gets a cash prize. First, I put random words, and then I got a word generator and just put random words. And then putting some stuff in a message handler, and there you go. We got our word chat reaction thing working. Another thing is I began working on events. After doing some of the main work for the events, I also did some command handling. Then I decided to finish the custom jobs handler, and it actually worked kind of good. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.